Hi, I'm Ava, and welcome to Fyrestone CRM. In this demonstration video, we'll show you how Firestone's invoice management tools help you stay on top of payments, get paid faster, and keep your cash flow moving. Whether you're billing for services, sending reminders, or tracking overdue accounts, it's all simple, seamless, and built for busy small businesses. So let's jump in and take a look at how it works. Okay, today we're going to start the demonstration on the main dashboard. You will notice on the left-hand side menu there is an item called Sales. When you hover over that, the submenu will appear, and you can reach the invoice list by selecting Invoices. On this page, you will see a list of all previous invoices entered into the CRM. You can search for the one you want using the client name, phone number, email address, or the unique customer reference number created by the system. And if you want to create a new invoice, simply click the New Invoice button in the top right corner of the page. From a practical standpoint, though, more often than not, you'll create an invoice directly from the client record. So let's go ahead and do that. Hover over the Contacts menu item, and under that, select Clients. Okay, so we're going to click into a client record that we've prepared earlier. We have previously done a demonstration video on client records, so if you would like to have more information on this, please don't hesitate to check out the website. For now, though, we're going to scroll down the record until we get to the Invoices tab. When you open the tab, you will notice a button that says Create Invoice. If you go ahead and click that, a new page will open up to generate a new invoice from scratch. For today's demonstration, though, you can see that all previous invoices are also listed in the tab. So we're going to click into that, and let's see how it works. Scrolling down the page and focusing on the left-hand side, you can see all of the basic customer and invoice details. We have the invoice number and status, client details, the service location in case you want to segment your invoices for reporting, and the payment due date. Back to the top and over to the right, you can see the Products tab. If you're a service business that deals in bookings instead of products, you can swap this over in the Backend Settings dashboard. If you're a business that provides both products and services, you can also have both present on the page. It's all totally customizable to your needs. You will notice that we already have a product added to the invoice, but you can go ahead and add as many as you like and manually adjust the quantity, deposit field, and total price. Products are all set in the Backend Settings section, so you never have to worry about typing everything manually or making mistakes. As you scroll down, we get to the pricing summary, where all fields are updated automatically according to the products above and the tax settings configured in the backend. The only thing you need to worry about is the discount field if you're feeling generous and want to offer one. Below the pricing summary, we have the address fields. What fields display here, from booking address, billing address, and shipping address, depend on your configuration settings in the backend. And even then, you can toggle what displays or does not display on the invoice that goes to the client. Next is payments. These can be entered manually, but the Fyrestone CRM integrates with both PayPal and Stripe. So if you have these configured to your business account, payments can be made directly from the invoice and will register as paid in real time. Our API integrations ensure your records update immediately upon a successful payment or refund. At the bottom of the page, you will find the Notes section. You can add unlimited notes to the invoice to record any information you might need in the future. This might include, for example, discussions about the client's payment schedule or any discounts you might have applied. When you're all done and ready, you can view the final invoice by clicking the View Invoice button at the top of the page. This will bring up the invoice in a new window. We have left our invoice as the default minimalist design, with bank deposit as our payment option. But rest assured, the invoice is totally customizable in every way you might imagine in the Backend Settings dashboard. You can add a custom letterhead design using your business branding, change the headings and thank you messaging, and switch the payment method to PayPal, Stripe, or even your own custom option. Finally, we're ready to send the invoice to the client. To do this, we're going to head back to the Invoice dashboard, where we will see the invoice listed and ready to send. All you need to do is check the box next to the client and click Send Invoice in the top right corner. Voila! All sent. Of course, the email that is sent to the client is also fully customizable in the backend. So you can tailor this exactly to your brand and style. Now, the last thing to do is follow up anyone who hasn't paid. You will notice on the page there is a tab called Awaiting Payment. When you click this, you will see a list of all invoices that are marked as awaiting payment and are also overdue. They will only appear in this list if they are overdue, so you don't need to worry about making a mistake. When you're ready to send a follow-up message, just go ahead and select the checkbox and click Send Reminder. So that concludes our demonstration video for today. We hope you got a lot out of it, but if you have any further questions, our team is always ready to lend our expertise. All you need to do is reach out on our contact page or in the support section of your account. We want to thank you once again for taking the time with us, and we look forward to hearing from you soon. From everyone here at Fyrestone CRM, have a wonderful day.